guys. So, I'm takeovering. Tama ba takeovering? Oh my God.
Taking over.
Taking over.
Over.
John Ray's vlog. There she is. And if you guys are wondering who am I, I'm just Rap.
Oh my God, everybody knows you by now.
No.
Can you not?
My dream guy doesn't even know who I am. It's so sad.
He will come. He will literally come.
Someday my prince will come.
Oh my God, it's fire, bitch.
Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so bigyan niya ako mag-samgyo. And ako kasi, takot ako sa mga ganito, mga hot
Actually,
things.
same. I thought you were doing samgyup.
No!
Akala ko. Kanina
I'm only doing like dewy face and makeup look. Pero not samgyo.
Yeah, akala ko nagsasamgyup ka talaga. Kasi ako din personally, hindi din ako nagsasamgyup.
Yeah, ako personally, I have my best friend. Yung siya magluluto for me. Oo.
We all comment together. We all have a designated cook.
Pero it's fun kasi guys, yeah, I get to live my life story.
Oh my God.
May magka-comment na naman dyan, arte naman tunay rap. So, si John Ray naman ang expose natin maging maarte.
Pero alam niyo, honestly, hindi ako lagi yung designated cook.
Yeah.
Like, there's someone else, but not me.
Tsaka sa ganda natin to, I mean, with our Samgyup makeup look.
Yeah, makeup tutorial. Link down below nga pala mga friends.
Pero,
We have a tutorial on this look.
okay guys. So, since ang tagal maluto, kakain muna ako ng mga side dish.
That's good.
Ano mas gusto mo? Side dish or side
Side. Oh my God.
Jordan!
Exposed.
Jordan!
Oh my God, Jordan. For sure, nag-preach na kayo.
Sorry.
We'd like to apologize ahead of time.
For sure, amazing!
Oh my God, you're doing amazing. So ako yung designated cook
Doing
talaga.
amazing!
So I'm the designated cook talaga,
Oh my
Mom.
gosh, so malayo. Let's push it. There.
Do you eat the lettuce?
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Why? I love the lettuce.
Because like, I know I eat it before.
No, when you do this, so imagine, para pag nasunog natin itong whole place.
Girl, don't say that. Oh my God.
Hashtag contest.
Hey y'all, it's your girl, the internet how genre. Oh my God, I'm
Okay guys,
like missing a nail. Ew.
you have to be proud of genre kasi parang hindi nito ginagawa madalas
Yeah.
nag-video outside.
Oh my God, I rarely go out. Hi, my name is Genre. I'm a freaking introvert. Like, oh my God.
And John Ray is actually a super matakaw person. Kakagaling lang namin guys sa Samgyeopsal and
But
now
he ate so much.
nag-order siya ng ganito.
Oh my God, no.
Oh my gosh, let's watch it.
Yeah, is it gonna be pigmented? Oh my God, ang dami yung color select.
Let's watch it. There's no payoff.
Ano ka ba? It's so well pressed.
There's no payoff.
Oh my God.
There. Let's watch it na.
Okay. Oh. Is she alright? She's alright.
Tastes like yellow.
Oh my God, ang ganda ng rap.
Pero talaga kami dyan. Pero like, I watched it.
So hard.
Harder is better. You see.
Sige na. Si Rap kasi isanay sa matigas.
Saka I don't use my teeth kapag matigas. Kaya veneers to, baka mabasag. Alam niyo naman, natural is better pa rin.
Ay! Oh speaking of veneers. Di ba naka-veneers ka?
No!
How?
Joke.
She's restoring! Stormy!
Insert ka ng clip.
By the way, mga girls, I just want to mention it real quick. This video is gonna be so different. It's so chill. It's like a low-key mukbang and low-key just random. So magchichikan lang talaga kami dito. We're just gonna talk about random things. So if you're down to listen, grab some popcorn, grab whatever you want to eat, and we got
Grab
tea.
some Red Bull.
And Red Bull, and we got some tea for y'all.
Yeah.
Eh yun nga, speaking of veneers, so di ba naka-veneers ka, and like, funny too, like this is ice and shit.
Yeah, okay lang.
Okay lang siya?
Yeah, sanay na ako. I love it. Ang sarap. Sa swatch, hindi impressive. Pero once you actually...
Bitch, you're gonna eat that.
Pag nag-dive in ka na, masarap. God, so ano nga ba ang point ng video na ito ni Miss John Ray? So, ang point ng video na ito ni Miss John Ray is to actually tell you guys na she will be giving away 10,000
10,000,
worth of
yes.
makeup products.
And then we're gonna have a meet and greet. Char. Sobrang random the video though. Siguro pag nag-click sila, they're like, what the fuck is going on?
No, pero seriously, I'm so proud of Miss John Ray kasi quit siya sa work.
Yeah, and also I have to give credit since andito na rin ako. I have to give it credit to you though, because you like push me through though. Being a YouTuber, it's so different from working.
I mean, it's obvious naman na, syempre,
Like, so good.
nag-put ka ng work into it, so it's also your doing, pero you're welcome. You're welcome.
We love the charity work.
Joke lang.
You're welcome.
Hindi, ikaw din ang may fault nun. Kasi hindi mo naman yun gagawin.
Ito ako sa, ikaw din may fault doon. Parang kasalanan ko.
Oo,
Parang
kasalanan
kasama.
mo rin yun. Kasi, yeah, it's your decision. Saka
Yeah.
nakita ko naman nga na hindi ka masaya sa work mo, kaya ako nag-suggest ng ganun.
Tapos yung boss ko na ninood neto.
Hello, boss? No
Hi,
offense naman
boss.
sa kanya.
Yeah, no offense. Maybe sila din, they're like tired.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure, right?
Nagtitinder din yan pag break time.
Tinder, kinder.
Kinder?
Oh, yes, sis.
Stormy!
Stormy! Stormy! Trying to look for someone to create a Stormy for their own.
I want my own Stormy.
Oh my god, how about a Normie?
I'm Normie first, then Stormy.
Normie! Oh my god, you're a mom now. You're gonna be like, Mama
I want to be a mom. Mommy Kris Jenner.
Kris Jenner.
Yeah.
Mama Kris Jenner.
Mama Kris.
Is there a time that you've met like a rude celebrity and shit?
Rude celebrity?
Yeah. Why you're like so hyper rude celebrity?
No, kasi nakapasok na yung sugar sa system ko. I swear,
Oh.
I was tired kanina.
What the fuck?
Pero now, with the sugar, my energy
Balik pa
level.
naman tayo. I feel tired now.
Wow.
How about kanina
Eat more,
like,
eat more.
Yeah, I need more.
Pero like for sure, after ng high ko from the sugar,
Crash.
down ako.
Pero yung ito kasi, switch mo.
Why? Ayun na nga, kasi nga first job ko naman, I worked as a stylist. So yeah, marami ako na-handle na celebrities. Now, hindi ko naman masasabing rude siya, pero ano ba? Parang masyado siyang pressured.
Oh.
Pressured sa image niya. Kasi labeled siya as fashionista eh. So parang gusto niya lagi siyang nasa best dress list. Lalo na kapag mga ball, mga Star Magic balls.
Did they get
Ganun.
something off of that? Like, comment down below, do you think it's like a big deal?
Eh pero kasi, like, if artista, parang importante sa'yo yung press, yung event. Lalo
Oh,
na if
yeah.
it's positive,
'Cause
like
it's like
best dress.
PR.
Yeah, PR.
Like, people are gonna talk about you. Kasi like, oh, you're in best dress and shit.
Yeah, kasi at the same time, competition talaga pag artista ka eh.
The competitions.
Yeah, tsaka maraming roles yung kayang gawin ng multiple artistas. So, nagpa-fight talaga sila for that role. Parang gano'n. So, siya gusto niya labeled as, ano siya, best dress talaga. Tapos may time na like, nagdala kami ng more than 100 gowns. Wala siyang napili.
So how was your job then? What the fuck?
Girl, super depressed. Kasi, bilang stylist, some of the pieces, we buy it. Parang nag-invest kami, we buy it.
Who gives you the funds?
Sweldo.
Your own money?
Yeah. Tapos, pero mas madalas, nagpo-pull out kami from other designers. And somehow, mas nagagawa namin yun kasi nga, I was a fashion major. So, yung mga classmates ko before, yun yung mga hinihiraman ko. Ganon.
What the fuck? I can't imagine bakit ganun. Parang, they have all this money, tapos bigla,
Kasi like, yung iba talaga sa kanila walang sense of style.
I mean, can't they just give you the money? And you just
Yeah,
pick the clothes?
minsan ginagawa niya. Ano lang pangalanan, kasi I'm pretty sure marami siyang panay. Pero yun na, biggest clue is best dressed.
Yeah.
Fashionista. Celebrity.
I haven't met a rude celebrity actually.
Wala?
Yeah.
YouTuber.
I have.
Wow.
Like, I have a YouTuber. Like,
Pero hindi ako rude ha. Baka
No,
ako yung
you're-
nasa isip mo.
I only have few friends, honestly.
Okay.
Like, isang event, it's like my very first event 2 years ago. Tapos I said, hi, I met you sa ganito. And she just told me this. Oh, that's nice. Akala niya siguro like, I'm like a fan. And then we have like this, meron kaming may upuan doon na pang vloggers. Tapos may parang upuan doon na mga party goers. akala niya siguro like party goer ako or whatever. Tapos nung umupo ako dun sa upuan ng mga vloggers, parang yung mukha niya ganun parang,
What?
she was like, hi kay Judge, hi.
Wait lang.
Oh, sis. She was hi. That's it. Like, hi kay judging me, man.
Okay, kailan ba to? Kailan ba?
2 years ago.
2 years.
2 years ago.
So in a span of 2 years, alam naman natin na pwedeng maraming mangyari sa isang YouTuber.
Yeah.
Relevant na ba siya or not? No!
No.
Sino to?
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
That's the point. Karma's a bitch.
Oh!
Karma's a bitch.
As in, nag-roll eye siya na parang,
Yeah, that's nice.
that's nice.
Like, ganito. That's nice.
Whoa!
Like that. Kaya mga girls, you have to be kind to one another.
Yeah.
Kasi you'll never know. Minsan yung smallest creator, di mo alam bukas, she be poppin'. You know? Don't you, oh my God, speaking of ganon, like, when you were starting out, or tayo, ikaw muna share your experience then. Kasi you were longer in the biz than me. Parang, what was your experience?
Kailan ka ba nag-start? 2018?
Ako, yeah, 2018.
Ako 2017.
What is, veteran sis.
No! By
Veteran-
just a year?
And that's why you pushed me to be a full-time YouTuber.
Okay, go.
So, ayun nga. What was your experience like? Kasi I really want to know what really makes me curious about like a certain YouTuber. It's their journey. Like not a lot of people see the end results, but not a lot of people see or knows the journey, like what it takes to be
The
a YouTuber.
journey.
Yeah. So how was life when you were starting? Kasi you told me then, which was so inspiring, which pushed me.
Why?
Kasi you told me na you quit your job and YouTube was like
Yes!
first thing.
Ayun nga, like, I worked as a stylist. Tapos, sobrang na-off ako. Kasi like, I used to watch yung show ni Rachel Zoe. Yung The Project Zoe. Stylist siya sa States. Tapos,
Familiar.
yeah, tapos very chill. Mas chill yung work niya sa States. Tsaka mas respected siya doon. Yung mga stylist. Dito kasi, medyo ginagawa siyang utusan.
Yes.
In a way. Tapos parang feeling ko, hindi ako nag-study ng college.
Ano?
Na maging ganon.
Like
sa mga freaking artistas na to. No.
Yeah, you gotta be a boss of your
Yeah,
own.
tapos ito rin yung type of job na dinadala ko sa bahay yung work ko. Like, iniisip ko na susoli ko tong gown na to by tomorrow. Tapos by tomorrow, anong susuotin ni ganito, anong susuotin ni ganyan. So, ang hirap. And then, alam naman po ng lahat na I'm such a fan ni Michelle D.
Oh.
Ever since, yung nag-work pa nga ako doon sa styling, yung mga makeup looks na ginagawa ko, ginagaya ko lang yung mga ginagawa niya. So, I was a viewer para ko kasi kinukuha siya ng mga brands. And alam ko na may bayad yon yung mga brands.
Yeah, 'cause
pero
of
hindi ko
course
alam
you're-
yung monetization na sa mga ads. Hindi ko alam.
Kasi for sure, alam mo yung inside ko ng PR kasi you're there.
Yeah, oo.
You were there.
Tsaka, I love the fact na gumawa siya ng career niya by herself out of
Yeah.
this media, ganon. So
Platform.
parang, platform.
Exactly.
Ako feeling ko, kaya ko rin yun kasi may personality naman ako. I mean, let's be real. Alam naman natin yun sa mga sarili natin.
Yeah.
If meron tayong skill na ganon, we know
Parang,
it. Oo.
there's a certain people na parang you're like, okay, she can command attention.
Yeah.
Na parang, oh, she has a different energy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, there's this star quality. in
So why
someone.
not use it,
You know,
diba? Kung alam mo naman ganon ka.
Oo, kung
Yeah.
you can command attention. Right?
Yeah, so ayun, I resigned. Tapos, nung the day na I resigned, that was like the happiest day in my life.
Ah, fuck.
Up until now.
How long were you there dun sa ano na yun?
Siguro about a year.
A year.
A year din ako like na-stress, na hassle every day, as in
Tingin ko,
no
a
break
year.
time.
Pero yeah, you muna.
Pero like
Ikaw.
including Saturday and Sundays.
Oh, shit.
At actually, pag holidays, doon ako mas busy. Kasi doon yung may event sila.
Event sila.
Yeah, tapos wala akong time talaga with family, whatever.
Oh my God.
Super sad. To the point na Christmas, marami silang events sa Christmas. So,
Yeah, for
nagsusource
sure.
ako ng clothes. Umiiyak ako.
Bitch.
On the road. Yeah. Although,
That's true. That's actually a line when a stylist cries
Yeah.
outside. That's
Yeah.
a thing, actually. I see that in movies.
yeah.
That happens, man. What the fuck?
Tapos, ayun na nga.
Shout out to all the stylists out there.
Yeah, love you guys.
Like,
I admire your
whoever
hustle.
works in the styling.
Respect.
Wow.
Actually, lahat ng backstage sa mga production. Yeah. Anyway, ayan na nga. Ang plan A ko doon is maging YouTuber at magkaroon nga ng mga sponsors at kumita sa YouTube. And there's no plan B. As in, walang plan B.
Same.
Tapos, like, ayan nga, gift ng mom ko sa akin nung gumraduate ako yung nose ko and my camera. So, yeah, pinlano ko talaga siya. Everything. And now, one of the most good videos ko yung nose job ko. So,
all the money mom came back.
bawi natin to, ma'am. Nabawi natin.
na.
Pero hindi siya ganun agad, na parang nag-earn ako agad.
Yeah, same here though.
Yeah. Especially yung mga nagsisimula ako, kinailangan ko pang ipunin yung AdSense bago ko ma-cash out yung
Nakakash.
money.
Ako nga, alam mo,
Yeah.
naabutan ako dun sa bagong terms. I got demonetized, guys. Like, imagine ilang months ako, I'm making videos, spending my own money on my own makeup with no payment.
Wow.
So you have to freaking, put your soul into it. Kasi, ang tagal.
Yeah.
Like, ilan ako, alam mo, yung isang video,
May approval pa yun eh.
may approval. Alam mo, I got freaked out. Kasi yung nag-viral video ko yung kay Vice, oh my God, I was so scared na shit, baka hindi ako ma-approve. Kasi,
May
like,
mga
negative comments,
reactions.
dislike, nabash ako. I was like, imagine that 3 months you're being bashed, and I wasn't being, by the way, mga girls, in case if you want to know, nung nag-viral yung Vice, I wasn't being paid. Imagine you're being bashed, you're not being paid,
Yeah.
it's taking a toll on your mental health, and you have to
Yeah.
go to work, parang in a day, 9 hours a day, 2 off, tapos you're not being paid, tapos you have to like
Yeah.
put a smile on the face. Oh my God.
Tapos nako-question mo rin like,
Am I gonna do this?
Oo. For what am I doing this for?
Pero when I got monetized, I wasn't earning a lot. Okay, anyways.
Yeah.
Since I'm monetized, oh, this is interesting. Naman.
ayan na ang title mo. Magkano ang kinikita natin?
And then, we're not gonna answer it. Tapos we're just gonna beat all around the bushes
Yeah,
and not...
explain lang natin yung mga kung paano, gano'n.
ganun pa, kung paano. So, you, how was your first, like, paycheck?
Nung una, tuwang-tuwa na
And
ako.
how much was your subscriber?
I think around around 5K. Kasi hindi ako naabutan ng bagong terms na kailangan
Swerte
ng
mo.
approval. Oo.
Swerte mo.
So the moment na I created my channel, pwede na akong kumita.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
how it is. Noong 2017, ako din. And then, natanggal sa akin.
Yeah. Tapos ayun, nung naka 5K subscribers ako, naka 5K pesos din ako. Yeah, tapos yun yung mga I think nag-last yun ng about 5 months.
Ooh.
Each month 5K.
Sis T, we're just gonna tell our like first paychecks. Pero yung mga
Yeah.
latest,
Yeah. Tapos I'm so happy kasi yung mga nakukuha ko doon is my investment for my content. Ayan.
Yes.
Pinambibili ko sila ng makeup para makagawa pa
Makeup.
ako ng more videos. Para pinapaikot yung money.
Yes, it's a business.
Yeah, tapos parang ang unang binili ko is yung Jaclyn Hill palette. Yes! Kasi before maging fan ako ng any creators, napanood ko na rin si Jaclyn eh. So parang,
Would you say that Jaclyn also inspired you to also do YouTube?
actually with my face as well. Yung nose structure,
Oh my God.
my cheeks.
I see Jaclyn in you.
Diba? Medyo.
Yeah. Loves it.
Now you know.
Hi, Jaclyn.
Yes! I also need a collab with Kim Kardashian.
Morphe.
Pero nung mga time na yon, yung mom ko, hindi pa rin siya believer na parang I'm doing this as job, as work. Kasi nga 5K lang kinikita ko. I mean, hindi yun lang, pero tingin ng mom ko, lang yun.
Yeah, because of course our parents, they
Yeah.
do so much na already.
Yeah. Tapos parang sabi niya sa akin, nasa na ba yung resume mo? Ako na magpapasa sa ganito, sa ganyan, pag-a-apply ko sa ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko, Mom, wait ka lang. Give me like 3 months.
Wow.
3 months pa more. Woo! And then, ayun, that challenged me na parang make contents, be original, beats.
At saka mga girls, it's so much pressure, especially if you're starting out. Wow. Kaya I'm sobrang inspired talaga ako sa'yo, girl. Like, holy shit.
Ano ba? And ako din naman, you inspired me. Yeah, kasi may time din recently na parang I got tired. Na parang Yeah, may time na as an artist, kailangan mo magpahinga. To like, regain your creative juices. Ganun.
Yes, your spark, your interest.
Yeah, tapos habang nagpapahinga ko, napapanood ko yung mga content mo. Tapos almost everyday kang nag-upload. And I'm like, ooh! Parang you re-inspired me again. Ganon.
That's what we do. We uplift.
Yeah.
Uplift each other.
Women help other women.
Women on another level, sis.
True!
We just got each other's back.
Ikaw naman.
Ayan nga,
Ang first kita mo ba ay magkano?
Ang first kita ko mga ko, sobrang baba lang. First paycheck ko, I got it.
50K?
Oh, sis! You told me, 50K!
Ang unang kita ni John Ray.
50K! So, ayun nga, ang first paycheck ko, I got it, no... Na-choke ako?
Oh!
Hindi malaki, wait lang, tumis ko.
Kita niya, pero na-choke siya.
Wait lang,
You be the judge.
Kasi
You
nga
be
ano,
the judge. You be the judge.
kahit ako, may issue ko.
You get a car. Oprah na.
Everybody gets a car. Yung first paycheck ko, kailan yun? Eh, kung ano yung kinita mo this month, next month makukuha mo na agad.
Yeah.
First paycheck ko, nakuha ko ng September.
This is so good. Okay.
It's so good. Do you wanna order one more?
I know.
Well, let's just share. Just ko nakuha kasi na-monetize na ako nung July. Imagine, I was demonetized kasi na-implement yun ng February 20. Ako lang man, basta in total is like 8K lang. Nung first sahod ko. And then, I was so scared kasi I was like, maybe hindi nila ma-recognize ko. Ma-recognize ko, they're like, what the fuck is this? Like, what is this? Because di ba, like, we're just gonna get our money somewhere. And then like, maybe they're gonna be like, what the fuck? Where do you get
Saan
this?
galing to?
Saan galing to? Nakuha ko yung pera. I wanna cry. I was with my
Yeah.
friend. I wanna cry. Na parang, oh my God, finally.
Yeah.
Kasi it wasn't about the money. Imagine.
Yeah.
Kasi if I was doing it about the money, nung na-demonetize na ako, I would stop.
Yeah.
I really wanted this talaga. Like,
Tsaka parang yung first paycheck mo, it's too good to be true.
Yeah.
Parang ganon. Kasi parang you have actually may effort, pero since you like what you're doing,
I love
you
what
don't
I'm doing.
recognize the effort, di ba?
yeah. It doesn't feel like work.
Yeah, so parang ang
Sobra.
dating, hindi ka naman nagtatrabaho for it, pero merong money
Na bumabalik.
bonus.
Uy,
Oo,
sobra.
so parang,
Like, oh my God,
Totoo ba
thank
to?
you. Yeah. I'm scared ako. Tapos, I was really scared kasi sabi ko, maybe money mo, it's just like a one-time thing. Baka nagkachamba ka lang genre. Sabi ko, baka nakachamba lang. Like, these people, baka mawawala sila one day and then you're not gonna be any relevant anymore. I was so scared, honestly. Like,
yeah.
parang nagsugal ako. Honestly. And then,
Kasi ang kalaban mo dyan, it's either yun nga, your fear of being a one-hit wonder.
yeah,
or,
I was.
Or, this is this one big amazing opportunity na kung hindi mo kukunin now, mawawala siya.
Mawawala siya. So I was so scared na parang sabi ko, okay, you know what? Nag-save ako, I saved up my money. Sabi ko, okay, ito yung last paycheck ko sa work ko. Tabi mo na lang yan. Yung 13th month pay mo, tabi mo na muna yan. And then, nag-quit na ako.
Nice.
Hindi ko na kinaya. And I was like, sobrang...
Were you happy nung nag-quit ka?
Sobra, thank you.
Yeah.
Kaya, when you say thank you talaga, like, freaking, oh my God, thank you so much.
Oh my gosh, you're welcome. Oh my gosh, pero thank yourself as well. Kasi you're doing yourself a favor by
Grabe,
doing that.
self-love, man.
Now, alam ko marami ang naghahangad ng scoop about the love life of Mama Ho.
Oh my gosh.
Kailan magkakaroon ng Papa Ho or meron na ba nagpaparamdam as Papa Ho?
Actually, wala.
So, para sa mga admirers ni John Ray dyan, you know what to do.
Slide into my DM, sis.
Yeah, lahat. I mean, kung sino man ang mananalo ng puso ni John Ray will be so lucky. I mean, look at that.
Look at that trash.
Oh, look at that! Siya ang napakalakas na nakapagpa-push kay Maybelline na mag-release ng more shades.
Oh
Here
my
in the
God.
Philippines.
That's iconic. Oh my God, imagine we did that. We did that.
Diba?
Sobrang...
Wait lang. So, how about YouTuber crush? Meron ka bang ganar?
Wala. I have no
Wala.
I'm sorry. Sorry to disappoint you. If you came here for all the tea, sis, I ain't got none for you. That's pretty much it. I'm pretty sure you guys are like, what the fuck was this content? And if you're gonna ask me, I'm like, Same.
I don't know.
What the F? Just like a random video since we were here and we just want to talk
Yeah.
on cam and also want to like, you know, chill. Like comment down below. Maybe some people like this. Like chill,
Yeah, this
raw.
could be like a segment for you. Parang,
Yeah, it's like raw, chill moments.
hold down.
Yeah.
Hold down.
Hold down. Chill. Comment below if you like it.
Chill.
I'm pretty sure you won't comment just like, no mama, don't do this again.
No, they loved it. I'm gonna remove this.
What? Did you just remove yours?
Yeah. Like all YouTube, this is to show you guys na I am a low maintenance, genre is high maintenance.
Boy, I lost the nail.
That doesn't count.
What counts? If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, subscribe to
About
Ruff's channel
Yes.
down below. And also, I hope you guys found this video entertaining. Kind of weird video, random. But don't forget to share this, like, comment, subscribe, and of course, say what you get, my motherfucking heart.
Paano yung ginagawa niya? Ganun.
Bye. Sino yan?
Dalagang Pilipina?
Ganyan, oh.
Hindi naman meron pang ganun.
Ganyan.
Ta-na-na-na-na, mag-alin lang ta.
Ano yan?
That's the song!
Gusto ka lang.
Ayan, may ganyan siya.